Hello everyone, let us now begin our journey to learn the Power BI. To learn the Power BI, it is most required to have install in your PC or your laptop. So how you are going to do? Let us directly jump on the screen and let me show you how you can proceed. First of all, you may have to go to the Google, just write down download Power BI for desktop. You can see that one link will be visible which is from the Microsoft. Don't forget to open just Microsoft link only. No other link is recommended. So once you click on this, you can see that here based on your language selection, you have to select the language and just press the download button. It will be downloaded and it will be available in your download folder. Now what you have to do, you have to just right click on that and proceed for the installation. Once the all the process has been completed like installation, if you have any query you can ask me. I'm not showing you right now because it is already installed in my PC. So you have to proceed for all the installation steps by clicking next and at the end the finish. It will be automatically installed and the shortcuts will be created on your desktop and automatically the Power BI will be opened on your screen. So by this way you can download the Power BI. But for the requirement purpose, it must required at least 2 GB of the RAM and good amount of the storage so that your Power BI will work smoothly on your PC. If you have less RAM or no storage is available, it may possible that Power BI will be stuck up. It is better to have a utilization of the proper RAM and the storage. Once it is done, it will be opened up and look like this. So currently what we are going to do, we are not going to go in the technical details, but just I am clicking on the blank report, which you can see that there is multiple things are available. If you are familiar with the Excel, many of the things you may find that it is similar to the Excel. Just to brief that this will be the toolbar where different tools will be available. Right side different visual tabs are available. Here as same as the Excel, like in the Excel you may find the sheet 1, sheet 2. Here it is available as a page 1, page 2, page 3 and all. So by this way you have to install the Power BI. Before proceeding to the next lecture, I recommend you to first download, install and complete this step so that in future you can have a proper learning right way. So from the next tutorial we will move and proceed further.